frictionless surface, block of mass m is moving at the speed v, okay, which collides elastically. So in elastic collision, energy is conserved. Okay, so therefore half m v square plus yes, but initially it is at rest, the another body, so 0 is equal to half. Now, after collision, the first block moves at an angle theta to its initial direction and a speed v by 3. So therefore half into v by 3 whole square plus half m into v final whole square. This is for the second mass. So therefore very easily we can see that v final square is equal to v square minus v square by 9, which is 8 by 9 v square. So therefore v final is equal to root of this, so 2 root 2 by 3 into v. So therefore the correct answer is D. Thank you.